Well, hello there. Today I'm going to tell you about FIFO. FIFO stands for First In, First Out. What does that mean? Let's think about milk for a minute. Milk can go bad.
Ugh. Ew.
And nobody wants to experience that because, well, that's nasty. So, to protect consumers from unpleasant experiences and potential illness, milk is stamped with its expiration date, and that helps. Even better, milk is also stored in a very precise way. When the store is putting the milk into stock, they put the oldest milk to the front of the cooler, so shoppers will take the oldest stuff first. Then the new milk is placed behind the older milk. That keeps the inventory fresh and helps ensure there's no nasty expired milk lurking in the cooler, at least most of the time. And that's really what FIFO is all about. Materials that fall under FIFO standards have to be stored, maintained, and issued so that the oldest item is issued first. The first item that came into stock is also the first item to go out of stock. You might be thinking to yourself, that's great for milk, but stockroom inventory is just motors and belts and stuff, right? So who cares how that stuff is managed?
My name's Karen. I'd like to speak with a manager.
Well, I do. Your stockroom and accounting folks do, and so do you, even if you haven't realized it yet. Have you ever completed a repair or replacement only to have the supposedly new part fail as soon as you started the equipment? Well, FIFO helps prevent that from happening. FIFO is a way of managing inventory to make sure parts aren't obsolete and ensure they are fit for use. You might not know it, but a lot of maintenance parts and components can degrade over time, even if they're just in storage. So implementing FIFO inventory practices in your maintenance stockroom makes good business sense for anything with a shelf life or an expiration date. First in, first out, or FIFO, helps maintenance stockrooms manage spare parts by making sure the oldest items are issued first. This reduces the risk of early failure of parts and therefore reduces breakdown events. It helps save money by reducing the risk for obsolete inventory and even has some accounting benefits. So avoid the nasty and FIFO on.